How to archive messages on Messenger. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Messenger and log into your account. And once you do that, you want to select the conversation or the chat that you want to archive. You simply click and hold on it, say for example this one, and a pop-up menu list will appear at the bottom, from which you can see there's an option that says archive. Just click on it, and there you have it. You just archived this message or this conversation. You can do the same with this one. Just click and hold on it, and from the list click on archive. And once you have archived them, you can find them in the archived chats section, from which you can access to by clicking on the profile icon at the top left of the screen, and then click on archived chats, and you will find them here. So that was it for this video. That's how you can archive chats or conversations on Messenger. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.